And welcome everybody back to National Geographic's Forces of Nature. Today, we're going to be experimenting with volcanoes. You might know about volcanoes. You've seen them in the movies. You might live near one if you're, depends on what if you want to say if you're lucky to live near one or not, but you might also learn about them online or in school. Well, if they're not erupting, you might just confuse them for a normal mountain or even a hill, depending on its size. Well, no doubt looks can be deceiving. So, what is a volcano? Ancient Greeks and Romans believed that volcanoes were under the control of gods. How else to explain the fiery spectacles that occurred without warning and with such destruction? Since that time, scientists have learned much about volcanoes. Vents in the Earth's surface, from which molten rock, debris, and stream issue. About 1,900 volcanoes are active today, or known to have been active in historical times. Almost 90% on the Ring of Fire, a band of volcanoes encircling the edges of the Pacific Ocean. If a volcano erupts suddenly in a heavily populated area or in a remote region, the result could be a staggering death toll and the devastation of towns, industries, and vegetation. Volcanoes bring benefits as well. They provide valuable mineral deposits, fertile soils, and geothermal energy. Lava flows can build new land, as they have in Hawaii. So let's build our volcano, shall we? So, make your own volcano. You have the power to make your own volcano. Do you want it to be explosive, like Mountain Hell, or effusive, like Hawaii's Kilauea? Change the dissolved gas and silica content to make your own explosion. I'll start off by going low. A shield volcano. Viscosity scale a level 6. A shield volcano. Low levels of dissolved gas and silica mean shield volcanoes are typically effusive, not explosive. They have very fluid lava flows. Since the lava flow moves very quickly from the vent before solidifying into rock, these kinds of eruptions often create gently sloping volcanoes. Kilauea in Hawaii is an example of a shield volcano. Okay. What if I did high gases and low silica content? What would that do? You get a cinder cone volcano with mid-grade viscosity scale. A combination of low silica levels and high dissolved gas levels could yield this type of cinder cone volcano. It erupts explosively with fluid fountains of lava. This fiery lava shoots high in the air. As the lava comes back down, it cools and often forms a steep-sided conical structure known as a cinder cone. Paricutin in Mexico is a classic cinder cone volcano, and I've never heard of it. About low dissolved gases and high silica content. You basically get a bleeding zit, if zits bleed. A combination of high silica levels and low dissolved gases can create a lava dome. where effusive, high viscosity lava builds up over time. Often, lava domes are created after a major explosive eruption. Mount St. Helens is a perfect example of that. The explosive eruption released much of the dissolved gas in the magma, but highly viscous magma continues to slowly erupt afterwards, because the lava is so viscous it cannot travel far before cooling. Now, what have I not done yet? I did highly dissolved gases. Wait. Did I do that yet? Yes, I did. Okay. So that means high gases and high sulfur content. Oh. Ooh, wow. A composite volcano. High levels of both dissolved gas and silicon mean composite volcanoes or stratovolcanoes are explosive and eject hard pyroclastic material. I'm kidding. Composite volcanoes often look like steep-sided mountains before they erupt. During a violent eruption, it can appear as if the whole top of the volcano has been blown off. A great deal of pyroclastic material may be ejected, leaving the volcano to collapse inward to form a crater. Mount St. Helens in Washington State is a famous composite volcano. I'm sure Mount Fuji would be one too if it erupted and did that. In Japan. Is that it? Or you can just select your own type, see what it does, but... Well, I hope you folks enjoyed this little presentation. Again, I don't know if I'd call it a Let's Play, but I still think it might be an interesting little thing to check out. If you want to try this out for yourself, I'll be leaving the link to this website in the description below, so maybe you can try it out if you want to. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video. And next up, we'll be dealing with hurricanes. Until then, see you then.